Hello, I'm going to show you this vehicle here, Corigon. It's called, it's a Hymer brand, brought out for the 2026 season. This is a 7-meter, supposedly cheaper brand of Hymers. This cheaper brand, in this case, looking for this vehicle, 71,232 centimeters in width, 295 in height. This one here's got a face-to-face layout. Got extra chairs for pointing forwards in the vehicle, in the seats, which are currently in face-to-face position. So you will find here a different under here. Oh, there's a seat going forward under there. I'm not going to pull it apart. The Velcro's doing its job very well. Here's a pull-down bed. It's a manual pull-down bed above. So this thing here is going to sleep 3. Step up to the seat, the front driving seats there, and we've got these steps up to the German bed layout at the back. You've got a window on either side. You've got a skylight there. You've got at the back storage and skylight there. No storage on the walls either side. I think that's a mistake. Under here we've got a very nice large wardrobe, and we've got a wardrobe in here as well. You can see there's a ladder somewhere to go on there to pull that forward. These steps here don't open, I note. In here we will find the washroom with ductboard. How many drainage points? 2 drainage points, small plugs, non-slip, anti-slip surface, and okay, toilet. This obviously comes forward like that. There's the shower. Waste of an opportunity. I think the shower unit should be outside somewhere, because toilet can be used as a seat whilst you're washing yourself. Up here, what is this nonsense? It's what can you do with this, right? There's hardly any ledge on that at all. Anything gets stored out here is going to fall down. So it can't be used for storage. You're supposed to put stuff up there when you're in the shower, maybe. This is the problem I'm always going on about. The manufacturers don't use the things, so they don't know. Mind you, I thought it was a bit common sense that if you've got a motorhome with light doesn't work. As soon as it starts moving, things fall. Oh, anyway, sorry, that's really wound me up, Iris. There you go. There's a fridge, and here we'll find. Guess what's there? I bet you got it wrong. What do you think's here? Oh well, you got that one right. Here we've got some 12 volts, we've got 230, we've got storage down there, we've got knives and forks can go in there, storage there, and the bed comes. Let's see if I can do bring the bed down with one hand. You push this thing here across like that, and then you pull it, then you pull. Ooh, that was the bed, not my stomach. Anyway, that's just like what the bed looks like. Sorry, I can't do this with one hand. I'm getting weaker and weaker and weaker. But hey, it'd be good for me actually straining on this. But anyway, you can see how big the bed is. The bed, actually, to get the clicks in, to get the bed down, I would have had to have moved this in any case, and that. Actually, I'm not so weak as I can't pull it down with 2 hands. I also want to be relatively delicate with whatever I'm touching at the end of the day. I certainly wouldn't want to have to end up buying this. Skylight up the front, and you can put some. You could store some stuff here, which will. Well, no, there's a reasonable ledge in this case, but on the other side, if you're driving the thing, right, and something suddenly falls on top of you, I don't think that's a very don't think that's a good idea myself. I don't know what other people think, but right, I suppose you can put a television here. You've got your you can see what the score is up there with your electricity. Let's have a go and have a look what's happening outside. There's a mosquito in it, I hope. Yes, there is. Comes with a boring door with nothing in it. I was thinking I do appreciate if you can't put heavy storage on a door, but you can put things like a bin to keep the dog's lead in or something like that. I mean, that's a very cheap door. Actually, I don't even know who made it. Let's come to the back. Right, okay, so this will take 150 kilos of weight, lashing straps down. I mean, it's a really good size, I'm going to say that for it, for a 7-meter motorhome. We've got the door at the other side as well, that's just good. It's slightly smaller than this one, but okay, at least there is a door. That's the main thing. So, that's positive. It comes with Thula, don't know how to pronounce it, Omni Store awning, and yeah, I'll take it on the outside actually as well. Let's have a look what else it's got. So that's your gas, goes in there. The window is quite small. Right, so Hymer's, I don't understand the marketing of this at all, who it's aimed at, who the target market is, particularly when they've got Etrusco, they've got Sunlight, they've got Carado. I did write to them to ask. Did I get an answer? Of course not. Just doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. I think that what they're trying to do is they'll have the dealers for Etrusco and Sunlight and Carado, and they'll have a Corrigon dealer nearby, and there's no real differentiation between the brands. But this allows the Hymer company, the Hymer group, to get round its obligations to its dealers, which I think is totally immoral, in my opinion. I think, I mean, it's a short-term solution, because as a long-term, it just won't work at all. As a long-term, people won't stop dealing in Hymer vehicles if they do things like this, or at least those brands I've just mentioned at the cheaper end of the Hymer offering. Thanks for watching.